Let's try some more examples. Okay, so basically we're testing whether the mean is greater than 25 for these 18 points. Okay, you can read about the details if you like. So here the sign is exceeding. That means greater than, must be a greater than. The test statistic, you can just sub in the values that are given here. I find that the test statistic is 1.78. Degree of freedom is 18 minus 1, that's 17. I'm looking for this value in my t-table. It's in between 1.74 and 2.11. It's in between up here 5 and 2.5%. So the p-value is in between 2.5 and 5%. Okay, if alpha is 5%, then here I've got a smaller p-value. I've got a p-value that's in between 2.5 and 5%, which is smaller than 5%. And so here I am going to reject the null hypothesis. This idea is not being supported. This one is. Based on this data, it appears that the mean time spent on fantasy football at work per week is in fact significantly greater than 25 minutes per week. Let's just see quickly, Minitab. Stat basic stats, one sample t. In this case, we've got sample size is 18. Sample mean is 30.22. Standard deviation is 12.47. We're going to perform a hypothesis test, and the hypothesis is that it is greater than 25. Okay, so here you can see what the p-value actually is actually 0.04. Okay, so 4.7%, which is smaller than 5. Okay, so another thing that we might want to say is we want to consider the upper confidence bound. Okay, so here we're 95% sure about this bound. Okay, so what this is saying is we are 95% sure the mean time is greater than 25.11. Okay, so here the question is it greater than 25? And the answer is yes. In fact, we think that it is greater than 25.11. So not a lot greater, maybe. It might not be much greater than 25, but here 25.11, that's where we'd start to doubt that it's not greater than that. But here we'd say it is.